right here at the levee, about 10 feet from one whale of a hole. Just this is what is heading towards Bell City. Even the ground's spongy under us right here.
Hey, was this worth the trip back?
This is worth the ride. Oh my goodness. Just so you can see here, people, it spreads about as far as you can see that way. It's coming right in here where it's busted a hole in the levee. And it's going, as you can see, this way. Really not sure how to describe it. It's kind of windy, pretty loud up here, so just bear with us. I just wanted to get a little video going. I'm Corey with Statesman. Thanks for watching. We'll have some more here shortly.